Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 3. When it comes to ensuring the safety and reliability of electrical installations, multifunction installation testers are indispensable tools for professionals in the field. These versatile devices offer a wide range of testing capabilities, from measuring insulation resistance to checking earth continuity and evaluating RCD, residual current device performance, to help you make an informed decision when selecting the right multifunction installation tester for your needs. Number 3. Fluke 1664 FC Multifunction Installation Tester. Fluke has always been synonymous with quality, and the 1664 FC is no exception. The robust construction and solid feel of this tester instill confidence right from the moment you pick it up. Its durability has been tested in various challenging environments, and it continues to perform flawlessly. This multifunction installation tester is incredibly versatile, catering to a wide range of electrical testing needs. Whether you're performing insulation resistance tests, continuity tests, loop impedance measurements, or even RCD testing, the 1664 FC handles it all with precision. Its comprehensive set of features ensures that you have everything you need in one tool, reducing the need to carry multiple instruments. The 1664 FC offers a user-friendly interface, complete with a clear LCD screen that displays critical data in an easily understandable format. The intuitive menu system and straightforward navigation make it accessible for both experienced professionals and newcomers to the field. However, a slightly larger screen could have improved readability, especially in dimly lit areas. Number 2. UNI-T UT595 Multifunction Installation Tester. The UT595 is built to last, with solid construction and a design that is both ergonomic and user-friendly. Its compact dimensions 210mm x 175mm x 90mm make it easy to carry around and use in various environments. The digital-only display with a maximum count of 9999 is crystal clear and provides all the essential information at a glance. The LCD backlight ensures readability even in low light conditions. This tester covers a wide range of functions that are indispensable for electrical work. From insulation resistance testing to phase sequence testing, it has it all. It even performs non-trip loop impedance testing, which is incredibly useful for troubleshooting without disrupting power supply. Number 1. SEM-DT6650 Multifunction Installation Tester. The SEM-DT6650 is well built and feels durable in hand. Its compact dimensions make it easy to carry around, and the slim probes with test buttons are a thoughtful addition for easy and reliable testing. The 3.5 TFT color LCD display is sharp and clear, providing a wealth of information at a glance. This tester's versatility is truly impressive. It covers a wide range of testing needs, from insulation testing at different voltage levels to low resistance measurements, continuity checks, and RCD, residual current device testing. The ability to select voltage measurements between LN, LPE, and NPE adds to its flexibility. The SEM-DT6650 performs exceptionally well in all its testing functions. The accuracy of the readings, whether for insulation, low resistance, or RCD tests, is within acceptable industry standards. The fast high current loop test is a standout feature, saving time and ensuring efficient testing. Thanks for watching this video.